Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 EFE, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google option of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Google application. Right there you should tap on this icon and go into the settings. By the way, you can use your fingers or the Samsung pen. Just for me it's easier to use the pen. And now just go into the voice section. Here click to the voice match, and just to turn off the Hey Google feature, tap here on the switcher once and confirm here by tap to OK. And that's it. As can you see, that's really simple. By this way you can disable the Hey Google option on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.